Introducing Property Insights from Zeitview. From new construction to leased buildings, our comprehensive asset inspection solution harnesses the power of drones throughout the entire lifecycle of a property. The Property Insight platform combines advanced drone technology with AI-powered analysis to provide deep insights for property owners, facility managers, and service providers across any industry that cares about the quality, sustainability, or maintenance of buildings or properties. Here's how Zeitview advances property inspections. Our network can provide comprehensive coverage of properties of all sizes, in any location, capturing high-resolution imagery and data from every angle, from rooftops to facades and parking lots. Understanding the condition of your properties just got a lot easier. Zeitview streamlines the inspection process from planning to data collection and analysis. Our intuitive platform ensures seamless collaboration between stakeholders, saving time and resources. With built-in tools, making it easier to identify, measure, and share across teams. With Zeitview's autonomous flight capabilities, inspections are completed quickly and efficiently. Drones can navigate complex environments with ease, reducing inspection times, minimizing disruptions, and creating a comprehensive, high-resolution system of record. The utilization of drones for inspections prioritizes both safety for personnel and for properties. Our drones can access hard-to-reach areas without the need for scaffolding, ladders, or risky manual inspection. Our AI-powered analysis quickly detects anomalies and issues, allowing for proactive maintenance and risk mitigation. Property managers can make informed decisions based on high-resolution data, improving overall efficiency and reducing downtime. Zeitview's Property Insights platform offers customizable reporting and data visualization tools, enabling stakeholders to easily interpret and act on inspection findings with the ability to tailor reports to specific requirements, ensuring relevance, accuracy, and putting your brand at the forefront for your customers. From construction progress monitoring to routine maintenance inspections, Zeitview empowers property owners, managers, insurance companies, and roofing teams to optimize operations and enhance safety across their portfolio. Experience the future of property management with advanced inspection solutions from Zeitview.